Hi, wanna know how to fix one earbud not working on your Sony WF-C700N? So, as a first step, make sure that both of the earbuds are charged because there is a chance that the earbud which is not working is simply discharged. So, you can check the battery level of both of the earbuds and make sure that they are charged. And if they are and they are still not working, on one of them is not working, now let's try to do a factory reset. So for that, we would need to open Bluetooth settings and then click on this settings icon. Here we would need to click on this button unpair 2 times. And now we can put away our phone and take our case with both earbuds. As a next step, we would need to find this button which is located at the back side of the case. And now we would need to hold that button with our finger until you can see this indicator at the front start blinking red. So let's start holding that button, but remember that this can take up to 20 seconds. So just keep holding the button until you can see the indicator blinking red. So firstly, you can see how the indicator is blinking blue, but now we still need to keep holding our finger on that button until we will see the red color. And now when you can see the case blinking red, we can release our finger and close it, because now we have successfully done a factory reset. Now we can bring back our phone and then open the case. As a next step, we would need to turn our earbuds into a pairing mode by holding the same button on the back side until we can see this indicator being blue and blinking blue. So now let's hold it for a few seconds. And now when the indicator is blue, we can release our finger and click scan in the Bluetooth settings. Now here we need to wait until we will be able to find our WF-C700N and click on them. Then click pair and we have successfully reconnected to our earbuds after a factory reset. If the factory reset didn't help, there is a chance that this is some mechanical problem inside your earbuds and you would need to take them into a service center. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.